Today, I'll be showing you 4 different methods of taking a screenshot on Windows 10. Now, most of these will involve clicking the print screen button on your keyboard. It'll be located on the top right of your keyboard. If you're on a laptop, it might say PRT-SC instead of print screen. So if you go ahead and click that, it'll take a screenshot and save it to your clipboard. So to access that, you have to open something that you can paste it into, like Gmail or a photo editor. I'll be using GIMP. You can either click Ctrl-V to paste or right-click and paste. I'm going to click Ctrl-V. And then paste your screenshot in. Let's move this out of the way. So that's one way to take a screenshot, and it'll take a whole screenshot of your entire screen. And then it'll save it to your clipboard. I'm going to hide that. And another way you can do it is if you're in your browser and you want to take a screenshot of just the page. So let's say you had various windows open. You can click on Alt, Print Screen. And that'll take a screenshot of your current window that you're in, and it'll save it to your clipboard, and it'll exclude all the background. It'll only leave the window. So if you go over and again, it saves it to your clipboard. You click Ctrl-V to paste. It'll paste it. And here it took just the window. So now we're going to hide that as well. And another way you can take a screenshot is by holding down on the Windows key and clicking on the print screen button. This will take a full screenshot and will save it to your computer. I find this one most helpful. So if you go down to your File Explorer, you can go into your pictures, and under screenshots it creates a default folder. So here's the most recent one we took. And the fourth and final way is by going down over here to the search bar and type in snipping. And if you open up the snipping tool, you have a lot of options here. In the mode, you can either use freeform snip, rectangular, window, or full screen. You can set timer for when you want to take the screenshot. And you can just click new. So we're going to click new. And then if you just try to take a screenshot, it'll take it for you. So change the mode. We're going to go over to rectangular snip and click new. So now when we drag our mouse using left click, it'll take a rectangular screenshot. You can either save it, copy it, or send it. You can even draw on it and highlight it. So if you were to draw, you can draw pictures. You can use the eraser to erase, and you can use a highlighter to highlight text. And then you can open it in Microsoft Paint if you want to edit it there. And then you can use the Windows snip tool if you're going to do the same thing as Alt Print Screen. It'll just take a screenshot of the window. Freeform, that makes like a lasso. Click new. You can cut out a spot where you want to take a screenshot. And there's rectangular. And that'll probably be the most helpful. You can select things like this. Another way to access the snipping tool is by holding down on the Windows key, Shift and S. And that'll open it up here. I'm going to X out for now. And that's how 4 different ways to take a screenshot using Windows 10. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.